Morning guys, so this morning we're going to go back to the extension job. I've got a wooden floor he's asked me to put down. So he's already started it off, glued a couple of pieces, so we just need to put it down, square it up. It's going to be a floating floor, but every piece has to be glued together. So you can either glue this stuff directly to the floor, or you can glue the pieces together and then have a floating floor. So we're going to have a floating floor, so we're going to have a bit of underlay underneath, and we're going to glue all pieces together, and then it'll just be like a laminate floor where it just expands and contracts, so we'll leave gaps around edges. So that's how we're going to do it. But you can buy some adhesive and glue it straight to your subfloor, but the choice he's having is the insulation down to give it a bit of warmth as well. Right, let's get to the job and crack on. So this is a job. We've got the customer waiting to glue a couple of these together to give us a bit of an head start today. So he's glued a few up over the weekend, so we can just slot some big pieces in today and get a fair bit done. Supposed to be putting a board around, but I don't think that's going to happen now. We're going to change it because it's too hard to get the cuts right, and it's just going to take far too long. So we're going to scrap the border and we're going to put these in and crack on. Put a bit of weight on that so it goes under that corner. Yeah.
Yep, slide it, yeah.
We're in. So it's the next day already, and we've spent a lot of time squaring this thing up, and then we got Wayne, the customer. He put a few down on top of what we got down yesterday. Got it nice towards a nice 17mm gap all the way around, and that just fits as skirting board on, which is good. So we've just got to get all these cuts done today, and then we can crack on laying some more. So yeah, let's crack on with it. Managed to get most of the cuts done. We've got some nice cuts around the radiators, and they cover up nicely. So we're just going to tidy this up and we'll crack on again. That's it, we've got it done. We've got the skirtings on. It's all looking nice, really nice floor when they're down. I mean, they take a hell of a lot of time, a lot of labour putting them down. I mean, yeah, but they look really nice when they're down. So yeah, it should be nice, this floor, when it's all finished off. So what we have got to done, they've gone and finished the render. The scaffold isn't down yet, but let's go and have a look. So we're outside, the scaffold's still up, but the renders are finished, and it looks bloody amazing, I think. Done a really nice job of this render. It's the resin render, and it's made a lovely job of it. Right guys, I'll see you in the next one.